Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Baby Shop. In this video, we try to help you find out the best swaddles on the market. Based on our research and knowledge, I made this list and tried to find and list those items according to their quality and performance, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 5. Aden Plus Anais Boutique Muslin Swaddle Blankets. Another product from the land down under. An Australian mom brought these muslin swaddle blankets to the United States, and now they're sought after parenting gear. These have a long life apart from swaddling, as a nursing cover, a stroller shade, a hasty play mat, an emergency burp cloth, and more. But first, swaddling. We like this classic version, a breathable cotton muslin that rolls up compactly when you take it on the go, yet each large blanket has plenty of fabric to wrap and tuck your baby in a swaddle. You'll have to bundle your baby the traditional way, like they do in maternity wards, but the brand has a YouTube video tutorial to guide you. If you're still nervous, check out the Aden Plus Anais Essentials Easy Swaddle Wraps, which are designed with outside flaps that use hook and loop closures. If you fall in love with the brand's patterns and fabric, you can keep going with muslin drool bibs, muslin crib sheets, and a muslin dream blanket that's sized for a toddler or preschooler. Number 4. Miracle Blanket Wearable Swaddle Wrap. Certain things in the baby gear world, baby carriers, develop an almost cult-like following, and the Miracle Blanket falls into that category. Parents who love it constantly sing its praises. It's a large, stretchy cotton knit swaddle that you can wrap multiple times around your newborn for a warm and snuggly fit. No closures, no snaps. You lay this blanket flat and put your baby on top with their shoulders above the blanket. Their feet go into an inner foot pouch. Their arms are secured at their sides with flaps that are also inside the blanket. Then you wrap the outside around and tuck the end of the fabric under your baby. This is another one that testers said was good for wiggle worms. My daughter could Houdini her way out of almost anything, but there was a nice window when she couldn't get out of this, one tester said. Because a newborn is so tucked in, this works well in northern climates, and for winter babies whose nurseries might get cool at night. As for diaper changes, this swaddle requires a little more work than some other options, since you have to totally unwrap your baby to change them. Number 3. The Ollie World The Ollie Swaddle. Always swaddle your baby in the Ollie with their shoulders out. That and the fact that this swaddle is made with lightweight polyester spandex fabric can help keep your baby cooler in the summer or if you're in a warm climate, especially if you dress them in a short-sleeve bodysuit. Unfolded, the Ollie is a blanket with 3 strong hook and loop closures. You lay your baby on the blanket, shoulders above blanket level, and pull and secure your baby's left side, and then their right side, making use of the closures. Though functional, the closures make a loud ripping sound when you unswaddle, we found. Also note that the Ollie is pricier than other options. A big point of difference for this swaddle is that you secure the bottom with an included elastic band. Watching the instructional video from the brand can help you get it right, but home testers told us they found it easy and that the design is very adjustable, able to fit long and tall babies. Number 2. Love to Dream Swaddle Up Swaddle. Created by an Australian mom, Love to Dream swaddles are for newborns who prefer to sleep with their arms up in a sort of V for victory position, and for those who are set on sucking on their little fists for self-soothing. This swaddle doesn't secure a baby's arms by their sides like others do, but it still provides the snug fit that newborns find so reassuring. In short, this is the swaddle for babies who don't want to be swaddled in the traditional, almost straitjacket style sense. Will your baby prefer the arms up position? As with so much baby gear, you won't know until you try it. Know though, that if your baby is very tall, they might grow out of this swaddle. Number 1. Halo SleepSack Swaddle. This go-to swaddle brand has wide, adjustable wings that wrap around your baby to help create a secure feel. To use it, you tuck your baby's arms through armholes on the inside and zip up the sack. Be sure your baby's arms are at their sides, then use the wings to hold them in place. Take note, though, that long flaps can potentially overwhelm a small newborn. A SleepSack swaddle is also good for when your child is ready to transition out of swaddling. Just remove one arm for a few nights, then the second arm, and voila, your baby is in a wearable blanket. It comes in 4 sizes and many fabrics, including cotton, shown, microfleece, and velva. In fact, we named the SleepSack one of the best baby shower gifts for new parents. This was the only swaddle I could use for my baby, who would escape everything else, says Textiles, Paper, and Apparel Lab Executive Director Lexi Sachs. The zipper can zip up from the bottom, so you can change a diaper without unwrapping your newborn.